The first type of poem that we're going to learn about is called a cinquain. This is a 5-line poem. It does not have to rhyme, and the lines follow a specific pattern. So our example here is cats. Curious, playful, sneaking, pouncing, sleeping, always fun to cuddle, feline. So here in this box, it gives you directions on how to properly write a cinquain. Line 1, subject, which is one word. So the subject could be you, or the subject could be school. Line 2, 2 words to describe that subject. So curious, playful describes the subject cats. Line 3, 3 action verbs, each ending in ing. So our example is sneaking, pouncing, sleeping. Line 4, 4 words to describe feelings about the subject. That's this line, always fun to cuddle. Cats are always fun to cuddle. And line 5, a synonym for the subject, just one word. So feline is another way to say cats. So on this slide, you are going to write your own cinquain. You can flip back and forth between this slide and the last slide. That way you have the steps on how to successfully write this cinquain.